Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. A few of my subscribers have asked me of my hair care routine, kind of how I style my hair. And so since today is pretty overcast and it looks like it's going to rain, I thought that I would just stay indoors and film this video tutorial for you. I have to say my hair tutorial is really simple. I like to just take 10 minutes or less to do my hair. I don't like to spend a lot of time on it just because I like that kind of natural undone look for every day. So at the moment, this is my natural hair. It's pretty wavy at the bottom, and this is kind of my natural texture. So I do have a bit of wave, so that's what I like to do. I like to kind of work with what I already have just to kind of create a little more extra volume. So this is going to be my quick kind of hairstyle that won't take you more than 10 minutes. I first start off by brushing my hair. So this brush is great just for really quickly brushing your hair, especially if you have long hair. Makes it nice and smooth. The secret is all about preparing your hair for curling it, and I'm going to show you exactly what I use. But first I'm going to apply a little bit of this. This is the product that I use in my hair, and this actually is really great because it protects against heat damage, environmental damage. It makes your blow drying a lot faster. It also helps to untangle your hair. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this. So then I go in and start to prepare my hair, and what I like to apply is a dry shampoo. And even though my hair is clean and I just washed it last night, I still like to apply a little bit of something to lift my roots, and that's a really good tip that I like to do. Use dry shampoo just to give your roots a little bit more volume. So this one is dry shampoo with oat milk, and I really like the range from Klorane. It's one of my favorite dry shampoo brands. So I'm going to apply a little bit of that to my roots. So you want to massage that through. So you can see that's given me a bit of volume now, and I only applied a small amount. And that's a really great tip if you have fine hair and you need a little bit of volume. Next step is to apply a little bit of texture foam. And really great if you have really silky soft hair. And if my hair is too soft, it's really hard to curl and the curl won't stay, especially if you have freshly washed hair. So I definitely recommend, if you wash your hair straight out of the shower and you're having trouble curling your hair, then definitely apply some kind of product that is going to give your hair a bit of texture. I apply a small amount because my hair actually has a bit of texture today for some reason. I'm just going to apply a little bit. Okay, so that might not look like it's done much to my hair, but it has kind of prepared my hair now for curling, and that's what we're going to do. And the curling iron that I have been using all the time is by Beachwaver, and this is what it looks like. It's the S1, so I think it's the original size. They also have like a bigger one, but this is a really great curling wand. Okay, so I've now turned on my curling wand, and I just leave it at the default setting, and I'm just going to let that heat up. So while my hair curler is heating up, I'm just going to separate my hair, and this is literally what I do. Kind of separate my hair in the middle, or if you like to have your hair on a side part. So I'm going to start with one side first. So I'm probably going to start with my left side. So I'm just going to pin this hair back like so, just so it's out of my face. And then I'm going to start curling, and this is a really good curling wand because I find that the curls stay really long in my hair, and it's just a really easy way to curl your hair really quickly. And I'm going to just start off by sectioning it. So take about that amount, maybe less. Okay, so what I do is I clip this in here, and I always leave the ends out, and then I just curl it. As you can see, this one does all the work for you. leave it in a few seconds, and as you can see, you get this nice, really perfect curl. And then I kind of hold it against my hair like so, and then just kind of pull on my hair a little bit just so it doesn't go too curly. And now do the same to the other side, but what I like to do now is curl it towards the other way. So I clamp it there. I always leave that end part out, and I typically leave these for maybe 4 to 5 seconds. It heats up really quickly, so you don't need to leave it on too long. I literally take random bits. I'm not trying to section it off too precisely because I'm still working with the curl in my hair or the bit of wave that I might have. And then I take that clip and clip that out the back, and then start to curl these parts. I actually had 2 clips, but you know, it's like when you have hair clips and you just don't know where they go, or hair ties, they just go missing. That happens to me. So I'm just going to do the same all the way through. Okay, so that was that side done. I have left a few bits underneath without a curl because I have a bit of wave there anyway, but if you have really straight hair, then just make sure that you curl all your hair all the way through. And now I'm going to start on with this side. So you can see, if you have done this a few times with this hair wand, it's just so easy to curl your hair. Okay, so basically that is done. I've curled the majority of my hair with the curling wand, and I'm just going to take this clip out, and then I'm going to let my hair kind of settle for about 5 minutes and just let my hair kind of cool down by itself. So that will help with your curls lasting a lot longer. Typically I sometimes spray at this stage a bit of hairspray. A lot of times I don't even apply hairspray, especially for during the day, because I want that looser wave anyway. And also applying this texture foam is going to kind of hold your hair as well, and that was kind of why I did the prep work. But if you are going out and you need kind of that extra hold, definitely use a hairspray. I'm going to come back in 5 minutes and I'm going to brush these curls out. Okay, so I'm going to go in now with that same brush and start to kind of undo some of these curls, because I'm going for that beachy look. And I think don't be afraid to brush some of these out. So I've brushed that side out, and I kind of just use my fingers first and then I will use the brush. So guys, this is my finished kind of everyday wavy hair, easy 10-minute hairstyle that I like to do just to create kind of that bouncy, beachy waves. If you have any other requests, I'll love to know, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys, see you next time.